How to fix Google Play Store mic problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Tap on about. Now tap on update Play Store. Now after updating, simply go back. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Tap on system and update. Now tap on keyboard. Now tap on manage keyboards. Now click on Gboard. Now go to voice typing. Now enable the toggle for voice typing. Now simply go back. Now click on apps. Then go to app management. Tap on the search bar. Now type Play Store. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now simply go back. Tap on the search bar. Now type Gboard. Tap on Gboard. Go to permissions. Now tap on microphone. Now give the permissions and simply go back. Tap on force stop. Now restart Play Store. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.